National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for North Clark County in east central Mississippi, southern Lauderdale County in east central Mississippi, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Enterprise, or 11 miles northwest of Quitman, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Meridian, Middleton, Savoy, Sable, and Zero around 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Coffeyville around 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Snell around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Alamucha around 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. By this tornadic thunderstorm include I-20 Welcome Center at Cuba. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.